Good morning everyone. We have studied till here. This is the dental formula of the human beings. Now I'll tell you how we can write the dental formula in another way. Okay. ये आप सबको समझ में आ गया है. 2 1 2 3 क्या है, 2 1 2 3 क्या है. 2 is the incisor, 1 is your canine, 2 again this 2 comes for the premolar numbers and 3 is for molar numbers. Now we can write the dental formula in this way also. Incisor upon incisor is equal to 2 upon 2 by canine upon canine is equal to 1 upon 1. Premolar upon premolar equals to 2 by 2 and molar upon molar equals to 3 by 3. So this is also the way of representation of the dental formula of human. You can write it in this way also and in this way also. Both are correct if it's asked in your examination. Fine. Okay. In the humans, we know that there are 32 teeth. How many teeth? It's 32 teeth. As we have discussed, in humans we are having 32 teeth. So let's discuss one of the structure of the teeth. So this is your teeth. This is your one of the teeth. Okay, and this teeth is embedded in a socket. Fine. Okay, this teeth is embedded in a socket. Fine. Okay, and these are your gums. What is it? These are your gums. And here we are having bone. Which bone? Jaw bone. I'll tell you the names afterwards. Now this is your teeth. Okay, this teeth part, teeth is the very hardest structure, or we can say is the hardest structure of the body. Okay, this is your teeth. This is the hardest structure of your body, and this teeth having 3 parts. Okay, teeth having how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts. One is the lower part, second one is the middle part, and third one is the upper part. So this is your upper part which is visible to us. The part which is visible to us, the upper part which is visible to us, that is the upper part, and this is called as the crown. What we can call them? It's the crown, and it is covered with a whitish material. Covered with a whitish material called as enamel. And this enamel is the hardest part of teeth. This is the hardest part of teeth. Middle part which is embedded in the gums. Okay, middle part कौन सा होता है? जो आपके gums के अंदर छुपा हुआ होता है. And the lower part is which is embedded in the socket, or we can also called as root also. Root. Okay, also called as root, which is embedded in sockets. It is the invisible part. So students, this is your upper part. Okay, this is your upper part which is visible to us, this is your crown. What is it? Crown. This is your middle part which is covered with the gums. Okay, which is covered with the gums. So this is your middle part. And this part, okay, this part is your root part or the lower part. Okay, fine. I think that much is clear to you all. Fine. Now we know that we are having 32 teeth. How many teeth? 32 teeth. Okay, 32 permanent teeth. Okay, we are having 32 permanent teeth. And how many milk teeth or temporary teeth? 20 milk teeth. These milk teeth are replaced by your permanent teeth. Out of this 32 permanent teeth, 4 are molars. 4 are molars. Especially the 4 molars called as wisdom tooth, जिसको आप क्या कहते हैं? अक्कल दाढ़. Okay, they appear after an age of 18. Okay, they appear after an age of 18. Though it is not written in your NCERT, but it is written indirectly. Okay, and these 4 molar teeth or the wisdom tooth is your vestigial organ. Okay, what is it? This is your vestigial organ. Of body, just like your vermiform appendix. Vestigial means those organs which are present in our body, okay, but they are of no use. They are functional in our ancestors, but they are not functional in our body. Okay, I think that much is clear to you all. Fine. Okay, now what is the function of the teeth? Teeth helps in chewing the food. Okay, तो अपन जब चबाते हैं तो कौन सा वाला पोर्शन जो है टीथ का वो अपना काम करता है? एट द टाइम ऑफ च्यूइंग जो अपर पार्ट है, कौन सा पार्ट? क्राउन पार्ट इज हेल्पफुल. ओके, सो द क्राउन पार्ट हेल्प्स इन मेस्टिकेशन. और क्राउन के ऊपर किस चीज़ की लेयर है? एक वाइट कलर की. दैट वाइट लेयर इज ऑफ इनैमल. तो अपन को कभी कभी कहते हैं ना कि सेंसिटिविटी फील हो रही है. वाई दैट सेंसिटिविटी? इवन this is the hardest part of the teeth, but still we are feeling sensitivity there. जब कभी भी इनैमल वहाँ से डिस्ट्रप्ट हो जाए, जब कभी भी इनैमल वहाँ से रूइंड ऑफ हो जाए, जब कभी भी इनैमल वहाँ से हट जाता है, तो उसके बाद में पेशेंट को सेंसिटिविटी फील होने लगती है. फाइन. ओके, नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द टंग नाउ. ओके.